Hi everybody, I'm JT and welcome to today's video from Campervan Journey. These are the things that keep us in contact with the road. So having decided to replace the original 16-inch wheels that came on the van, I chose a 17-inch wheel design from a company called Descent, a German company, and these are again commercial vehicle load rated wheels that are designed and homologated to be used for the Volkswagen T6 in general and to cope with California and its weight. After doing a lot of research, I decided that it would be ideal to choose an all-season tyre as the next tyre for the van. We've always believed in investing in quality tyres, when cheap tyres are often pay less but ultimately pay twice. But we decided that we were going to go on our first skiing trip. One of the key things with travelling in the Alps and in the mountains in Europe is making sure that you have snow chains with you. As there are certain areas, especially in France, where snow chains are compulsory, just in case. And one of the things that I'd overlooked or we hadn't planned for is in the California Owner's Handbook, 235/55 tyres are too big to accommodate snow chains within the rear arches. So we had to undertake the search for a narrower tyre in a 215 profile to give us extra clearance to enable us to fit snow chains. And this gave me the perfect opportunity to find another tyre that was even more rugged and even more suitable for a commercial vehicle and cope with off-road, both summer conditions, wet weather, campsite and also winter as well. I wanted a tyre that was going to be chunky and sturdy enough to provide good traction all year round. We wanted to keep the all-season functionality, but even more ruggedness if possible to cope with poor campsite conditions, both in the summer and ultimately in the winter as well. And that research led us down to choosing this particular tyre, which is a commercial vehicle biased tyre designed for light commercial vehicles, and it's the Michelin Agilis Cross Climate. So these tyres by Michelin, the Agilis Cross Climate, have a great chunky profile. So very defined V-shaped design, additional sipes here which help with the winter traction. So these are key to giving you extra traction in ice and snow. And fundamentally, these tyres are the 3-peak mountain rated, which means they're certified for alpine driving in Europe. And that tied in really well with the tyre that we needed for our trip to France to go skiing. It is possible, if you get pulled over by the local police, if you don't have the correct tyres, that they can fine you on the spot. Being a commercial design tyre, they are designed to give a much longer lifespan than some road-based tyres, so harder compounds that will cope with longer mileage. Very deep, chunky tread profile. Additional protection to the sidewalls for curbing and impact damage. They have tread wear indicators on the tread depth, so it's very easy to see how worn your tyres are. The legal limit in the UK is 1.6mm. These tyres come with around about 8mm of tread. They perform fantastically well in slippery, muddy conditions, but they give a really nice chunky profile to the van without going for the full-on swamper off-road look. We found on our trip to the Alps in February that actually these tyres performed faultlessly. There were a number of different roads and routes. Whilst there wasn't full snow on the French roads, there were a number of roads that were very slippery. One in particular where we were coming down a steep mountain track, snow encroaching on both sides, and you could see that ice was on the road surface, and they were absolutely fantastic. We didn't actually need to use the snow chains because the tyres coped so well. So to sum up, can I recommend these tyres? Absolutely. They've been faultless so far, And if you're looking for something that gives good all-round versatility, and all-season tyres, I think really are the way to go now, because they've made so many steps forward in their capability. So previously, having a winter tyre for poor conditions and a summer tyre in the summertime meant you having to chop and change 2 sets of tyres, being able to store your second set of wheels and tyres, and the additional cost and expense of doing that. With a tyre like this Michelin Agilis, it provides brilliant all-round versatility, all-round traction, all in. Full thumbs up from us here